To identify a structure for an essay, start by looking at your assignment task. Here you need to look at the use of Facebook in learning and teaching. You have to focus on the impact by outlining both positive and negative effects. Then you will need to read widely. Look at your course readings and the library website to help you with this. You can make an ideas map to help you structure your assignment. It's organized from the most general to the most specific. Here's the essay topic, and then the topic is divided into the benefits and concerns. The more specific detail is on the right side. Here, there are 3 specific benefits and 2 concerns. You can use these points to make separate paragraphs in the body of the assignment. Here, you could have 5 body paragraphs based on the topics from your ideas map, but you might have more or fewer depending on the assignment. Use the start of each first sentence to connect one paragraph to another. You usually need an introduction and a conclusion as well.